Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
gozaimasu. Yeah. Excellency, Profesor Kotaro Komatsu, Excellency Assistant Professor Shizuko Umetsu, okay. Excellency Ki Kagawa, Excellency Kentaro Mori. Kemudian penghormatan kami kepada seluruh unsur pimpinan di lingkungan Win Araniri, terutama karena kepanitiaan ini adalah di Fakultas Tarbiyah dan Keguruan. Ini ada Pak Dekan dengan seluruh jajarannya. Kemudian dari, apa lagi nih, selain Tarbiyah yang hadir Pak nih? Kayaknya Tarbiyah semua ya. PLI, jadi dari Pusat International Office, Prof. Saiful Akmal, ya, karena banyak Saiful ini agak. Ya. Excuse me, Professor Fujita, I'm speak in Bahasa. After Mr. Saiful nantinya mungkin akan menerjemahkan ke bahasa Jepang atau bahasa Inggris. Ya, pertama kami menyampaikan selamat datang Go Homontu Go Kyo Rio Ku Arigato Gozaimasu. Ini Pak Saiful nggak tahu ini apa maknanya. Jadi selamat datang di kampus kami, kampus Win Araniri, dan selamat atas kerjasamanya. Ya, kita berterima kasih atas kerjasama ini. Pertama sekali, kemudian juga penghormatan, apresiasi kita berikan kepada seluruh peserta, adik-adik kami. Ini kebanyakan mungkin dari prodi bahasa Inggris ya. Prodi bahasa Inggris, bahasa Arab ada? Belum ya? Oke. Pertama sekali kami ingin mungkin menyampaikan nanti sedikit terkait tata kelola dan organisasi UIN. Pertama, Win Araniri, selamat datang di kampus Win Araniri, kampus energi kebangsaan sinergi membangun negeri. Ini tagline dari kampus kita, artinya energi kebangsaan itu merupakan ruh ideologi kebangsaan kita yang berakar dari Pancasila. Kemudian sinergi membangun negeri, kita siap bermitra, berkolaborasi dengan semua pihak, lokal, nasional, dan internasional, pemerintah, perguruan tinggi, ya, BUMN, dan semuanya. Kita siap berkolaborasi dan bekerja sama. Seperti yang kita lakukan hari ini, kita siap berkolaborasi dan bekerja sama dengan University of Tsukuba, Jepang. Mungkin itu dulu Pak Saiful. Ya.
Ya. Bismillah. Osayo gozaimasu. First of all, on behalf of our rector, we would like to welcome you here for your kind and courtesy of visit to our university. Mr. Professor Komatsu, Mr. Professor Fujita, Associate Professor Umetsu, is that correct? And our colleague from the international office, is it Tomori? Yeah, welcome. And second, we would like to extend our thanks to our partner from University of Tsukuba. And we need to inform you that our university has two keywords underlined in our motto. The first one is energi kebangsaan, loosely translated as the spirit of our nationalism, rooting from our national constitution. And the second keyword is sinergi kebangsaan, loosely translated as our spirit to extend our collaboration beyond national constitution. So we are welcoming your visit in the spirit that we can extend more collaborative works in the near future.
Oke. Araniri hari ini memiliki 9 fakultas plus 1 pasca sarjana, ditambah 57 program studi. Dengan akreditasi perguruan tinggi kita yang unggul pada Desember 2023, kemudian setengah dari program studi kita semuanya sudah unggul. Kemudian pada tahun 2023 hingga sekarang ini, kita sedang menyiapkan pembukaan fakultas kedokteran dan fakultas vokasi. Terus Pak.
Yes, we would like to inform you that so far we have 9 faculty and 1 postgraduate school, and with 57 study programs. Among these 57, half of these approximately have been accredited excellent by the national ministry. And then in this year, we would like to open 2 more faculties, namely the Faculty of Medicine and the Faculty of Vocational Training.
Oke. Mahasiswa aktif kita hari ini itu sekitar 23.000 mahasiswa yang terdiri dari mahasiswa lokal, Aceh, nasional, Sumatera, Jawa, kemudian juga mahasiswa internasional yang kebanyakan berasal dari Malaysia, Thailand, ada dari Korea, ada dari Yordan ya,
Libya.
Jadi mahasiswa internasional itu. Okay.
Right. So far we have approximately around 24,000 students. And among of the 24,000 students, we also have international students, mostly from Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia and Thailand. We also have international students from Korea, South Korea, of course, and we also have international students from African countries like Tanzania and Libya. So we are having at least almost 90 international students so far.
Ya. Yeah. Dan mulai tahun ini kita termasuk dalam 13 university yang menjadi pilot project dari Kementerian Agama untuk menuju World Class University dalam konteks World University Ranking. Okay.
And currently, this year, our university, following our national accreditation excellence status, are included in the top 6 university under the Ministry of Religious Affairs to be in the program of internationalizations from the ministry of the World University Ranking.
Untuk ini semua, Araniri tidak mungkin membangun sendiri tanpa dukungan kerjasama dengan berbagai pihak, baik nasional maupun internasional. Dan sejarah mencatat bagaimana hubungan antara pemerintahan Jepang dengan Aceh sejak masa kerajaan. Jepang masuk ke Aceh itu diundang oleh Raja Aceh, bukan datang sendiri, tapi diundang oleh Raja Aceh untuk sama-sama melawan Belanda.
Okay. To do this, we need help from everyone. We need international collaboration, and historically speaking, the first presence of the Japanese people in Aceh was officially invited by the king of Aceh at that time to work together against the Dutch colonialism.
Sehingga banyak tentara Jepang yang bertugas di Aceh, kemudian ada yang berkeluarga dengan orang Aceh, sehingga anak cucunya hari ini ada sebahagian yang sudah tinggal di Jepang.
Therefore, some Acehnese and some Japanese are having close relationship, and they are married, and then they have children and grandchildren, and some of them are living in Japan as well as in Aceh.
Oke. Mereka itulah yang hari ini melakukan mengkoordinasi anak-anak Aceh yang lulusan SMK, lulusan SMA, dididik pelatihan bahasa Jepang, dididik skillnya, kemudian mereka dikirim untuk bekerja di beberapa perusahaan di Jepang.
These networks were the core people who are trying the best for the Acehnese students, especially students from vocational schools and senior high schools, to provide a Japanese language course for them, and then in the hope that they are now trying to send these children, these pupils to Japan to work in Japanese companies.
Oke. Secara formal, selama ini proses pelatihan bahasa Jepang ini tidak secara formal, itu dilakukan di Lok Semawe atas inisiatif pribadi. Kita Lembaga Bahasa dan Training Center UIN Araniri sudah melakukan MOU dengan Badan Reintegrasi Aceh, ya, akan membuka pelatihan bahasa Jepang, bahasa Mandarin, bahasa Turki, Arab, Inggris di lembaga bahasa untuk melatih anak-anak kita yang akan kita kirim ke luar negeri dalam waktu dekat. Salah satunya bahasa Jepang. Untuk itu mungkin nantinya kita akan koordinasi dengan konsulat budaya Jepang yang ada di Indonesia. Kami juga mohon mungkin dukungan dari Universitas Tsukuba. Jadi mudah-mudahan ada setelah ini mungkin ada guru bahasa Jepang yang bisa menjadi native untuk mengajar di lembaga bahasa kita untuk bahasa Jepang.
Okay. Recently, there is a private organizations who hold the Japanese course based in Lok Semawe in the North Aceh, and now we are talking with the Aceh Reintegration Body to have a language course, and then one of the language course that we are proposing at this moment is the Japanese language, the Mandarin, and the Arabs, and the English language course. And then we do hope that in the near future we would like to talk to the Japanese consulate in Jakarta, and then we hope that by your visit today it will strengthen our cooperation, and we need your support so that in the near future we will have a Japanese language tutor here at our language development center.
Oke. Pasca tsunami, pemerintah Jepang kemudian juga berbagai universiti yang ada di Jepang seperti misalnya Osaka University, kemudian Tokyo University Foreign Studies, Badan Arsip Nasional Jepang, kemudian NGO LSN Jepang, itu banyak sekali membantu Aceh setelah tsunami. Khususnya di UIN Araniri, gedung pasca sarjana kita, satu gedung besar itu yang lantai 3, itu dibangun atas inisiatif pemerintahan Jepang melalui JICA. Yeah.
We are very grateful that during the post-tsunami reconstruction, the Japanese government was very active in supporting us. And one of the physical evidence is, especially at our campus here at the university, is the construction of the third floor building in the postgraduate schools, which was supported by the JICA from the Japanese government.
Oke. Jadi berbicara sejarah hubungan Jepang dengan Aceh, itu bukan sejarah hubungan baru, bukan kerjasama baru seperti hari ini, tapi ini adalah melanjutkan sejarah lama dengan versi yang baru dalam konteks pengembangan SDM. Kami berharap kerjasama dengan University of Tsukuba dapat ditindaklanjuti di Win Araniri dalam berbagai aspek, baik dalam konteks student exchange, baik dalam konteks nantinya apa istilahnya itu pertukaran dosen, riset dan sebagainya, dan hal-hal lain, pengkajian-pengkajian, penelitian-penelitian. Mungkin berbagai hal itu memungkinkan untuk dilakukan pada masa mendatang. Pasca simposium ini, The National Symposium, kita berharap ada MOE, tindak lanjut yang bisa kita lakukan antara Universiti Islam Negeri Araniri dengan University of Tsukuba, Jepang.
Following this international symposium, we do hope that in the near future we could have an extended collaboration, because the history of international relations between Indonesia and Aceh, especially with our university, is not the new one. It's a continuation of a very sustained relationship that we have had before, and we do hope that by this international symposium we could extend our collaboration, and we could have a formal agreement, MOU and MOA between our universities, so that we can work together for research, community service, and publication.
Ya, kami juga terus berbenah lembaga WIN ini, baik secara kapasitas SDM-nya, juga secara sarana prasarana, agar WIN ke depan layak menjadi world class university. Pada pagi hari ini, mungkin setelah katakanlah sambutan singkat saya di sini di ceremonial speech ini, di open ceremonial, saya mohon izin harus ke Jakarta karena besok kita diundang untuk pembahasan proyek pembangunan WIN Araniri yang didanai oleh bantuan luar negeri. Kita sudah mengajukan proposal untuk pembangunan kampus WIN ini, akan kita modernisasikan. Beberapa gedung lama seperti Tarbiyah lama itu akan dihancurkan, dibangun baru, misalnya 6 lantai. Dakwah dihancurkan, lembaga bahasa dihancurkan, kemudian Usuluddin dihancurkan, ya, gedung Hasbi As-Siddiqi yang syariah dihancurkan, dan dananya sudah kita ajukan 1,2 triliun. Ya.
Ya, banyak sekali yang dihancurkan, jadi saya harus okay. Yeah, we do understand our strengths and weakness. We carefully examine our constraints, but we strive for the best to the betterment of our university. So I would like to share on behalf of our rector that we are trying very hard to make a better facility and infrastructure for our students and faculty members. After this international symposium, I would like to excuse myself because I need to go to Jakarta to do the presentation tomorrow. So I cannot be with you for the presentation of our proposal to rebuild, to construct new at least 6 new buildings from the 6 different faculties. So the current old buildings and infrastructure will be demolished and will be replaced by the new buildings, hopefully this year. And we do hope by having this, we are ready to go for the internationally recognized university.
Yeah. Demikian selamat bersimposium internasional. Mudah-mudahan kita senantiasa dalam ridho Allah Subhanahu wa taala, lancar kegiatan ini dan juga yang pasti ada yang dapat kita tindak lanjut pasca simposium ini. Lebih dan kurang saya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Last but not least, we would like to hope that everyone can have a very great international symposium here. Enjoy your time and learn lesson from our college from the University of Tsukuba in Japan. And we do also hope, again, we need to stress that we hope that this international collaboration will extend further and we can have a very serious relationship in terms of human research capacity. And peace and blessings upon you all. Have a great time here at the university and bye-bye.
Yeah.
Arigato.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Jadi sekaligus sebagai informasi, setelah ini saya harus ke ruang pertemuan rektor untuk membuka acara yang sama, mungkin 15 menit itu. Hadir di kita itu Atase Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Kedutaan Indonesia di Saudi Arabia. Jadi Ustadz ini alumni Gontor, sebelum dia bertugas ke Saudi Arabia di akhir bulan Februari, sebelum beliau bertugas dulu ke Aceh, ya. Kita sedang merancang melalui rumah jurnal itu akan dibuat international seminar di King Abdul Aziz Mekah, dan ini hari ini kedatangan beliau itu kita akan membahas itu. Sekaligus nantinya paket international seminar di Mekah ini King Abdul Aziz atau di Madinah, nanti Universitas Madinah itu sekaligus menjadi paket umroh dan seminar. Jadi dosen dan mahasiswa yang ikut silakan nantinya mendaftar. Ya, itu hanya informasi.
Yeah, Pak Rektor just said that he would like to inform every one of us here that in 15 minutes he should leave the building and attend another possible collaboration with the Indonesian consulate in Saudi Arabia Kingdom, and they will have the international seminar. So for students and our faculty members, lecturers could have a possibility to have an academic engagement in Mecca, as well as having a pilgrimage, religious pilgrimage in Mecca. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Bapak Rektor, for very enlightening remarks. And then thank you for Mr. Professor Saiful. All right, now we will move on to the next agenda, which is the handover of the placard from our rector, Prof. Mujibur Rahman, to Professor Fujita. Please welcome to the front. Okay, please, we'd like to welcome Mr. Komatsu and Ms. Ometsu to the stage as well. Yeah, okay, now is the time for the commentation. So for all the guests, just stay in the front. Okay, thank you very much for all distinguished guests. Now, so this is the end. This marks the end of the opening ceremony. So before I end this session, I would like to hand over this session to Mr. Moderator, Mr. Andriansyah. So on behalf of myself, it's my honor to be with you today. So signing off. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So you want me to say it? All right. So I will give you like 3 minutes to prepare for this symposium. Okay? Let me open my book first. All right, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, today we are here for a great event for International Symposium. So this is our first International Symposium, I think, for this year for education and teacher education program. Welcome for all participants. And I would like to say thank you for the representation from the University of Tsukuba. I would like to call the presenters here today. First, Associate Professor Kotaro Komatsu. Please welcome on the stage. Next, I would like to call Assistant Professor Shizuko Ometsu. Please. Next, we have Professor Teruki Fujita. Welcome. And next, I would like to call so we have 2 other representation from University of Tsukuba. So I call him Mr. K and then Ken. So both of them will be like in front of this room for the welcome for students who would like to ask information about University of Tsukuba. Yeah. Thank you. And next, I would like to invite Khairul Azmi on the stage to help me to translate, to interpret, to be interpreter for today's session. Welcome. And all right. So before we start, I would like to read a little bit of the curriculum vitae from the three speakers for today. First, I will go with the Professor Kotaro Komatsu. So we can call you Kotaro. Ya, Kotaro ya. Jadi nanti kalau saya lupa, tolong diingatkan. Ya. Professor Kotaro. So Professor Kotaro is an associate professor in mathematics education at Institute of Human Science, University of Tsukuba, Japan. And he was attending the visiting fellow at the Southampton Education School, University of Southampton, UK, from 2016 until 2017. And then he worked at the Faculty of Education, Shinshu University, Japan. Sorry, I forgot my glasses. Okay, so as associate professor in mathematics education from 2004 until, 2007 until 2012, yeah? Okay. And Professor Komatsu also got an award as an Outstanding Research Paper Awards for Japan Society for Science Education. And 2022, he got award too as an outstanding contribution in a reviewing journal of mathematical behavior. And also in 2013 and 2018, he got an award for Young Researcher Awards for Japan Society for Science Education. So please give applause for Dr. Komatsu. Next, I will read a little bit of Dr. Shizuka. Oh, Shizuko. So I think all of you know Doraemon, right? Yeah. So we have Shizuka, and here we have Shizuko. Yeah, it's easy to remember. Excuse us. So okay, so Miss Shizuko is an assistant professor in the Department of Education at the University of Tsukuba. She specialized in international education, particularly the International Baccalaureate program. She has taught social studies at several middle schools and is currently teaching curriculum and assessment courses in the IB, International Baccalaureate Educator Certificate, at the University of Tsukuba. Thank you. And last but not least, Professor Teruki Fujita. So I met Professor Teruki Fujita 3 months ago in Shanghai, in China. And we become with also the Dean, Professor Safromuluk. So at that time we talked together, some programs that we can do to support UIN Araniri, especially for education program. And then thank you for, answering this call and you come here. Thank you very much. So I will read a little bit the CV and, the information about the Professor Fujita. So after graduating from the College of Human Science, University of Tsukuba in 1988, he entered the 5-year doctoral program of education, University of Tsukuba. He earned his PhD in education in 1995. In 1993, he started his academic career as an assistant professor in a small private university in Japan. Then he was appointed as an associate professor at the Institute of Education, University of Tsukuba from 1998. In 2008, he was appointed as the senior specialist on career guidance at the Elementary and Secondary Education Bureau, Ministry of Education, Japan, or they call it MEX, Ministry of Education, Japan. Currently, they serve as senior researcher on career guidance at the National Institute of Educational Policy Research in Japan. Since April 2013, he has been a professor at Department of Education and the Institute of Human Science, University of Tsukuba. He now also is the chair for the master's and doctoral programs in education at the University of Tsukuba. He has been a vice president for IAEVG, International Association for Educational and Vocational Guidance, for 3 years till 2023. Also, since 2022, he is the president for the Japanese Society for the Study of Career Education. Welcome, Professor Fujita. So now it's 9:25, so we have to be careful with the time. Kita tahu ya, waktu it's very, waktu is the time. Yeah. So I'm sorry, it's like when I say that, sometimes I want to speak in Achinese language too. So in my head now, 3 languages. So yeah, excuse me if I, just switch like code switching so much. All right. We will divide the time. So each of you will give on 10 to excluding interpretation. Okay. So it's about 15 to 17 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. All right. So we would like to welcome Professor Komatsu first. Oh yes, Bang.